Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about a product that's earned its spot as the best Zep Grout Cleaner. If you're looking to restore the beauty of your marble, granite, or stone surfaces, then you're going to want to stick around. We're going to take a close look at the Zep Home Pro 2-in-1 Marble, Granite, and Stone Cleaner. This 24-ounce bottle of cleaning power is formulated to make cleaning your stone surfaces easier and more effective than ever. It's not just about cleaning, it's about protecting your valuable countertops, shower floors, and other stone features. The Zep 2-in-1 cleaner doesn't just clean, it also creates a protective layer, keeping your surfaces safe from everyday wear and tear. Whether you're dealing with marble, granite, sealed concrete, or even porcelain and ceramic tiles, this product has got you covered. One of the standout features of the Zep Home Pro Cleaner is its family-friendly formula. With a refreshing eucalyptus scent that brings citrusy undertones, your kitchen will smell fresh and inviting. And the best part? This cleaner is gentle on the surfaces you care about while still being tough on dirt and grime. It's free of harsh chemicals and has been specially designed to clean without causing damage, ensuring that your surfaces remain beautiful for years to come. Now, if you've been searching for a versatile cleaner that works on multiple surfaces, the Zep 2-in-1 is your go-to solution. It's perfect for high-touch areas like your countertops and floors, but it's equally effective for cleaning your bathroom surfaces. And, with its easy-to-use spray bottle, you can apply the cleaner exactly where you need it without making a mess. The formula goes on smoothly, works efficiently, and leaves behind a streak-free shine every time. In terms of usability, the Zep Home Pro Cleaner is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a cleaning expert to get the results you want. Just spray it on, wipe it off, and watch your stone surfaces come back to life with minimal effort. It also doesn't take much to make an impact. Just a small amount of cleaner goes a long way, which means you'll be able to keep your surfaces pristine for an extended period without constantly replenishing your supplies. To sum it up, if you want a cleaner that can handle all your stone and grout needs with ease, the Zep Home Pro 2-in-1 Marble, Granite, and Stone Cleaner is an excellent choice. It cleans, protects, and leaves behind a refreshing scent, all without the need for harsh chemicals. Perfect for any home, and especially for those looking to extend the life of their stone surfaces. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique, and be sure to check out more great product insights.